Hello friends, welcome to this lecture of information theory. Today in this lecture I am going to discuss different types of the entropies available in information theory. There are basically 5 types of the entropies discussed in information theory. The first type is source entropy. The source entropy is basically designated as Hx. It is basically represented by Hx. And what is the definition of source entropy? The source entropy is the average information that we obtain per source symbol. Right? That means the amount of information that we obtain as a result of each source symbol, that basically gives us the source entropy. The second is the destination entropy. Destination entropy is basically represented by Hy. Fine? Suppose if I take a source, here it is a source and here it is a destination, and we want to transmit some message from source to the destination, and there may be some noise are there. Fine? There are some noise are there, and we have to send a message from source symbol from the source to the destination. So as I told you, source entropy is the amount of the information that you obtain from the source symbol, that whether the message has been sent or not. Fine? This is basically the source entropy. But when we say destination entropy is represented by Hy. Fine? This is X and this is Y. So it means the amount of information that we obtain as per destination symbol. That means the information that we can obtain from the destination side, that whether the message has been received or not. Fine? This is basically the destination entropy. But when we say joint entropy, it is basically the combination of both the source entropy and the destination entropy, and it is basically defined as the average information that we can obtain from the entire program. Fine? From this entire system, whether the message has been sent from here and whether the destination has received that message or not. And we can formulate this entire joint entropy with this expression, which says that Hxy is equal to summation, 2 times summation of Pxi yi log Pxi yi. Fine? Remember this this relation, because this relation is used to solve many questions in information theory. Sometimes it is asked in the entrance test also, give the expression for the joint entropy, fine, for the source and the destination symbol. The next kind of the entropy is the conditional entropy. Conditional entropy simply says, it is basically represented by Hyx, and it says the average information obtained at the destination when it is known that X is sent. It means that what amount of the information we obtain at the destination side when it is known that the message has already been sent from the source side. Fine? And finally, equivocation entropy is the reverse of conditional entropy, and it is basically represented by Hxy. It says that how much information we can obtain at the source side whether the message has been reached to the destination side. Fine? So it is defined as the average information obtained at the source side when it is known that Y has received the information at the destination or not. Fine? So besides all these types of the entropies, you have to remember 2 more results here when we talk about the concept of types of entropy. And these 2 important results are the mutual entropy and the mutual information. Mutual entropy basically designated by joint entropy. Fine? This is basically represented by joint entropy. You can call it joint entropy, and it simply says that if the event X and Y, if the source symbol and the destination symbol both are statistically not dependent, not independent. That means both are statistically dependent. Then we obtain this as a relation, Hx plus Hy. We obtain the sum of entropy X and entropy Y when the key situation is that the source X symbol and the destination Y symbol both are statistically dependent on each other. Otherwise, if they are not dependent on each other, the entropy would be evaluated as the summation of entropy X and the conditional entropy. Fine, it is basically the conditional entropy, or in other way we can also write this as a Hy plus Hxy, fine, in the terms of the equivocation entropy. But when we look at the mutual information, it is represented by joint information. It says that when X and Y are statistically independent of each other, when X source symbol is independent from the Y destination symbol, the mutual information is evaluated as the difference of Hx and the equivocation, fine, Hx and the equivocation entropy, or the difference of destination entropy and the conditional entropy, fine. Otherwise, if they are dependent on each other, the information would be zero. So this is all about from the type of entropy and the important results of entropy in this lecture.